Here at Drillbrush, we strive to push the boundaries of cleaning innovation. It was with this goal in mind that we created the Edge Brush, a brand new product that allows you to easily get into groove surfaces and divots for a more thorough clean.
Hi, I'm John from Drillbrush, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Edge Brush and what it can clean.
Before we begin, let's talk safety. When using our products, make sure you're wearing ANSI Z87.1 rated eye protection. Drillbrush products should never be used in corded drills. Our scrubbers are used with liquid cleaners, and this poses an electrocution hazard with almost anything that plugs into a wall outlet. The Edge Brush has a block similar to our 4-inch flat brushes. Instead of the bristles sprouting from the bottom of the block, they are arranged around the outside in a thin strip. This configuration allows it to get into tight grooves more effectively than any of our other brushes. The extreme position of the bristles at the edge of the block means that they will be moving faster than the bristles on our other brushes. At high speed, these bristles can get hot enough through friction to melt linoleum, as well as some plastics. So make sure you lower your drill speed when using this brush on more delicate surfaces. Let's start with the Edge Brush's bread and butter, grout lines. No more scrubbing on your hands and knees with an old toothbrush. Simply rev up your cordless drill and follow the lines. With the power of the Edge Brush and a little bit of cleaner, your grout will look like new. This brush was designed with grout cleaning in mind, but that's not all it can do. You can use the Edge Brush to clean in corners where the tub or the sink meets the floor. This even works in corners too sharp for the original. This corner cleaning ability isn't limited to your bathroom either. Use it to blow through caked on crumbs from your backsplash or bits of food debris trapped around the lip of your stove. Blue brushes are useful for household messes that you wouldn't want the bathroom or kitchen brushes to handle, from the grooves on boot trays to the bars on pet cages. Our stiff red brushes can already tear through the toughest outdoor messes, but the higher speed of the Edge Brush takes it to another level. Grooves and ornamentation on patio furniture get all sorts of gunk and grime trapped in them. Luckily, the precision of the Edge Brush can remove tightly packed dirt from embossed surfaces on your deck chairs and table. You can also use our red Edge Brushes to get into the nooks and crannies under siding, between deck planks, and in exterior grates and vents. Our new Edge Brush has grilling applications too. Its thin construction makes it perfect for grill grates. Just run it along each grate with some grill cleaning solution to clear off any burnt-on gristle. Outside of the grill, the ultra-stiff Edge Brush is great for cleaning masonry. Don't leave leftovers for the ants in the gaps of your patio. Get in there and clear out the mustard and sauerkraut from your last barbecue. Drillbrush products with white bristles are soft, and are thus recommended for more delicate surfaces. However, because the bristles move quicker on such a large wheel, the Edge Brush is too intense for paints and fabric. Despite this, there are still places where the white Edge Brush can be used. Desk mats are becoming a staple of the modern white-collar workplace, but while they beat mouse pads in convenience, they can hold more than their fair share of dust and dirt. You could beat it out like an old rug, or you can use the white Edge Brush to kick out unwanted debris with ease. While you should definitely not use this brush on automotive paint, there are a few spots on your vehicle you can hit. Clean chrome grills and bumpers, grooves on the bed of your truck, or the narrow treads on a bike tire. Moving back indoors, you can also use your white brush to touch up vents, windowsills, and segmented mirrors. You can even use it to get stubborn grass stains off your shoes.
We believe the Edge Brush will make a handy addition to your cleaning arsenal. From grates to grout, this brush is the cutting edge of drill brush cleaning.
If you want to try the Edge Brush for yourself, visit drillbrush.com to browse our selection. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more Drillbrush content. Thanks for watching, and from all of us, happy scrubbing!